Have you ever wondered what that small spice called clove can do for your health? Most of us use cloves to add flavor to food, but the truth is, this tiny spice is a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties. Today, I'll share 20 amazing health benefits of cloves you probably didn't know about, and how you can start using them in your daily life. Stick with me till the end, because benefit number 20 will blow your mind. Benefit 1, rich in antioxidants. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, especially a compound called eugenol. Antioxidants fight free radicals in your body, which can damage cells and cause diseases like cancer and heart problems. So, adding cloves to your diet can protect your cells and keep you healthy. Benefit 2, cloves have immune-boosting properties because of their antibacterial and antiviral compounds. They help your body fight infections naturally. If you're prone to colds or flu, drinking clove tea can strengthen your immune system. Benefit 3, improves digestion. Struggling with indigestion, bloating, or gas? Cloves can help. They increase the production of digestive enzymes, which makes it easier for your stomach to process food. Just chew a clove after meals or drink clove water to ease digestion. Benefit 4, relieves toothache and oral health problems. Clove oil is a natural remedy for toothaches because of its strong pain-relieving and antibacterial properties. It fights bacteria in the mouth, reduces bad breath, and helps prevent cavities. Benefit 5, helps control blood sugar. Cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin function. This makes them beneficial for people with diabetes or those trying to prevent it. Benefit 6, reduces inflammation. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce swelling and pain in the body. If you have arthritis or joint pain, adding cloves to your diet can provide relief. Benefit 7, improves liver health. Your liver plays a big role in detoxifying your body, and cloves help keep it healthy. Eugenol in cloves protects the liver from toxins and improves its function. Benefit 8, good for respiratory health. Cloves are great for the lungs. They help clear mucus, soothe sore throats, and fight respiratory infections. If you have asthma, cough, or bronchitis, clove tea can help you breathe easier. Benefit 9, supports bone health. Cloves contain compounds like manganese, which is essential for strong bones and joints. Regular use can help prevent osteoporosis and bone weakness. Benefit 10, improves blood circulation. Cloves stimulate blood flow and improve circulation. Good blood circulation means better oxygen supply to all parts of the body, which keeps you energetic and healthy. Benefit 11, helps relieve stress. The aroma of cloves is calming and can reduce stress and anxiety. Drinking clove tea or using clove oil in aromatherapy can help you relax. Benefit 12, improves skin health. Cloves have antibacterial properties that fight acne and skin infections. Applying diluted clove oil can help clear pimples and leave your skin glowing. Benefit 13, natural pain reliever. Whether it's headaches, muscle pain, or even cramps, cloves can help. Applying clove oil mixed with a carrier oil on the affected area can reduce pain naturally. Benefit 14, fights infections. Cloves have strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help prevent infections. They can fight harmful bacteria like E. coli and protect your health. Benefit 15, good for weight loss. Cloves boost metabolism and help burn fat faster. Drinking clove tea or adding it to meals can support weight loss efforts. Benefit 16, improves heart health. Cloves help reduce cholesterol and regulate blood pressure, which are key factors in keeping your heart healthy and preventing heart disease. Benefit 17, boosts energy levels. Feeling tired? Cloves can give you a natural energy boost by improving blood flow and metabolism. Benefit 18, supports eye health. Cloves are rich in vitamin A, which is great for your eyes. They help improve vision and prevent eye problems. Benefit 19, acts as a natural aphrodisiac. Cloves are known to improve libido and sexual health in both men and women. They increase blood flow and balance hormones, which enhances performance. Benefit 20, helps fight cancer. Studies show that cloves have compounds that may help prevent cancer by slowing the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, adding cloves to your diet is a simple way to protect your health. How to use cloves. Add whole cloves to tea or hot water and drink it. Use clove powder in cooking. Apply diluted clove oil for pain relief or skin care. Remember, cloves are powerful, so don't overuse them. A little goes a long way. Caution. Pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and people with bleeding disorders should consult a doctor before using cloves. Overuse can cause stomach irritation, so always use in moderation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.